Hello, highly esteemed members of the ICTP Energy Management School, Trieste, Italia. I am Gon Clovisca, is a student from the University of Yaoundé 1, Faculty of Sciences, Laboratory of Nuclear Physics, Dosimetry and Radioprotection. I am currently doing a Master's 2 in the laboratory, and my term is talking about radiation protection. So your program, which will take place from the 16th of June to the 27th of June 2025 in Trieste, will be of great benefits to me because, firstly, because it's going to permit me to learn from great experts. It's also going to permit me to exchange with like minds. It's also going to be of great importance to me, not only to me personally, but also to my country, Cameroon, when I return back, because I return back with a lot of momentum. I return with a lot of things I would have learned in the domain of nuclear energy waste management, which will be of great contribution to my surrounding, not only to my surrounding, but it will also permit me to further my studies in the nuclear energy domain. So participating in this program will really be of great importance to me. Thank you very much for your keen attention.